Hey YouTube, I always show you informational videos. We're here just to show you that we actually do go out and shoot, and I always have that one friend that's a loudmouth that has to run his mouth when I'm filming. Now you can talk.
I take it you're referring to me. That's what he said in the video. He's referring to all of us, I think.
No, I was directly aimed at Brad, because after I tell him to shush, he still keeps talking.
Alright, this is Tannerite 2.0.
Make some targets.
Yeah.
We only have one guy that's notoriously late.
I think you guys got it.
I've seen this go bad.
I hate people who use safeties.
I don't like that. Yeah. I've seen this go bad. You have to hit it first.
Where'd it go?
It's almost down.
Holy shit!
Yep.
It was in the air. What?
It hit
Tell me
something.
that wouldn't have fucked up a car.
Did you hear that? When it hit the ground, it hit something.
Quite a tree.
Don't hit it all. Yeah, 6 o'clock hole.
Yeah.
These things shoot night. Step out in front of him, Peter. Go. He got it.
Shotgun, Mike!
You had to shoot so many targets when you hit the second.
I only brought those 2 bags. I was
Thought I later should have
yeah. That was the first time I was shot right out of the box.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'd like
Bang!
to maybe after you get it working. Yeah. Because I got a 22 bag. I got shells. I just didn't bring them. Yeah, I need some magazines.
That did not seem like 30 rounds. Go ahead. Low. Low.
Whoa!
High.
Four of them. They're slipping. And it's
Into
vanished.
the woods.
Where is I hope
Chuck?
I got it out
Went
on that.
straight back in the...
I've seen this go bad.
I hate people who use safeties.
I don't like this idea.
I've seen this go bad.
He hit the table.
You have to hit it first.
Where'd it go?
There, it's almost down.
Holy shit!
Yep.
It was in the air. What?
It hit
Tell me
something.
that wouldn't have fucked up a car.
Did you hear that? When it hit the ground, it hit something.
Oh, I hit a tree.
You hit it all 3 times, just took the third.
Do what?
Should have ran it back like that, Conan.
Yeah, don't leave it open.
I was more in amazement. We'll do it again. Oh, look what it did to the table. Where did the other propane tank go?
Was that a 5-pound?
Down. Everybody got ears? Yep. Yep, do it up. Good, Scott. How many rounds?
Yeah.
1. 3. Max.
3 if it's open, folks.
Just below it, Craig.
That's how you trim a tree. $25 away.
This is our scattered thunder showers. So we are on a rain delay.